We are pleased to show you the 2023 Bronco. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.3-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, black door handles, inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass, compass, Ford Bronco, interior comfort, traction abilities, overall weight balancing, pulling power. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.